Hey there everyone, it's JP Letnick from the Letnick Estates Group. Today's video is going to be about mortgage renewals and what you should avoid when you are faced with renewing your mortgage term. Welcome back. So before we get started, quick disclosure, if you have any questions regarding any of this, talk to your lawyer, your accountant, your real estate professional. Do not use this video as real estate advice. This is just for entertainment purposes and for general guidance and information. So I have in front of me right now is my primary residence mortgage renewal documents. The bank sent this to me about 1 month prior to my renewal date, and I took a look at this and I saw my 2-year fixed term rate was 3.09%. At the time when I signed the fixed term, that was a very good rate. However, now with these documents, they try to get you to sign on for a renewal without shopping around. Because for a lot of people, having the convenience of just signing a paper that they sent to you in the mail, sending it off is just easier. But I warn you, don't do that. Do not automatically renew with the documents that the bank sends you right away from the bank. You should be shopping around to other banks and with your current bank for a better rate. And I'll tell you why. Now, on this document, for the same 2-year fixed closed, they were going to offer me 3.39%. And you heard me right. That is a higher interest rate than what I was currently paying. Now, don't get me wrong, but this is wrong, in my opinion. The rates have gone down by almost a full percentage point at this time. So I should be getting less than 3.09, not a higher rate. So if anybody is just automatically renewing this and sending it off, you're getting screwed because the banks are just doing that. They're hoping that you're going to sign the documents because it's easy and you're just going to get locked into a higher rate. So be careful of that. Now, even if I went for a 5-year fixed closed, normally if you go for a 5-year fixed, the bank knows that you're probably going to try and break that contract in about 3 years. That's the average in Canada where people move, and you're paid some ridiculous fees. So they often try to give you a discounted rate for that to get you in and locked in for that 5-year fix. But on this renewal, if I chose a 5-year fixed closed, they're actually going to increase my rate to 4.9. That's insanity. That's just insane. That's 2 percentage points basically higher than what I'm currently paying right now. I should be getting a discount. So all of that being shown, now you can get the idea of why you shouldn't automatically renew with your current mortgage broker or bank when they send you these documents in the mail. This is just a way for them to make more money. What you should be doing is shopping around. Now, be careful of this. Your credit score can get hit if you're shopping around at different banks. So instead of getting a mortgage approval right away, find out generally what the rates are at a different bank. If you can speak to a mortgage broker, that's also recommended because they can have access to multiple products by just pulling your credit score once. So that's often a really good recommendation to take a look at. Now, I'll give you the difference in the example of what the rate I did get. When I renewed this, I was able to get a 5-year fixed, and I decided to do that because I knew I was going to port my mortgage later on anyway if I sold my current house, if I sold it ever. But I was able to get a 5-year fixed at 2.12%. And I had the option of a $2,000 cash back if I switched from my current bank to the other bank that I switched to. So I've just received that $2,000 cash back. My rate's been lowered almost a full percentage point, so my mortgage is reduced significantly. Not only that, but I was able to negotiate with them to get a home power line of credit, so whenever I pay down my mortgage, the line of credit automatically grows, and I have access to the money whenever I need it. This is a way better situation than if I had just signed this document and sent it off and said, hey, yeah, thanks, I'll take a 2-year rate at 3.39%, which is 30.3% higher than what I was currently paying with no cash back and no line of credit. So this is a great example of why you should always talk with a real estate professional, your mortgage broker, or your bank to find out what is best for you. Don't just go along with the ride with deals with real estate because it can cost you a lot of money, especially if you're locking into a 5-year fixed at 4.9% when you should be getting it at 2.12% with cash back. So hopefully this video helps you, gives you a little bit of insight into how the bank works with mortgage renewals and how you can actually save some money versus spending money. This has been JP Letnick. I hope you liked the video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell button so you get updated whenever we add a new video. And we'll see you on the next one.